Well, today we're back at it. We're getting the four-wheelers out and we're gonna go wake up the track and probably a few rattlesnakes. But before we do it, we are going to, well, first of all, he's putting gas in the blaster. It hasn't been cranked up in forever, which it probably won't remember how to crank. But first, we are going to spray some, do what?
Can we put the whole thing in there?
Yeah, go ahead. Because that's what I got it for, is for the blaster. Some chain lube, which the guy told me that this is the kind that doesn't sling it everywhere, which I hate that stuff that slings everywhere. This is called Pro Chain Silcoline, I guess. I don't know. Something tried to eat all the label off of it. But anyway, we're going to give it a try. He told me it does real good. So bear with us. We're going to spray it down. Let's see. We can go ahead and do that while I'm recording. Somebody can tell me I'm doing it wrong. See if I can do this without getting it sprayed in my eyes. There. All right. This one's really dry because I haven't. Oh. If I'm doing it wrong, leave a message. Be nice. That is always appreciated. The nice part. Oh, and the message. That's always a good thing. See if that thing crank. Hell, I'm getting it all over the place anyway. I'll finish this one up when we get over there. Hold on, let me spray this Mama Hoochie real quick. Man, yours is dry. This is almost like getting new shoes. Make you run faster. Well, if all else, it makes it look better.
Shiny.
Yeah. I bet you that'll be good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the Banshee real quick because I know it needs it. Those poor wheels. Every time I look at them. 2 kicks. How long has it been sitting up?
6 months.
It's 6 months. 2 kicks. That's pretty cool. Ugh. Well, the Banshee is not going to be driven today. Look, I'm doing all the wrong here. The Banshee is not going to be driven today. Rode today. Driven. What am I talking about? It's going to sit here. We're going to take the Honda and the Blaster over to the track because the Blaster hasn't been ridden in 6 months. I think it's been 6 months. I just made a mess. Oh well, it needed it. And let's not forget the last one, the Warrior. This will soon be my garage. One of those portable buildings. don't know if you can tell. That's the structure. My friend swears by these things. They will be anchored, each corner will be anchored. And then whenever you put something in it, you'll strap it from the top and anchor it. You know, if the wind picks up, it'll stay put. So we'll be making another video of that. Oy. Hey. Alright, let's get this chain. This one's in bad shape too. I'm so bad about neglecting. Alright, this is not wanting to move. Okay, there we go. It's bad. This one's bad. I'm surprised it even lets it go. It's no excuse. Feeling bad or not, I shouldn't let these be neglected. I'm trying to get to that point, slowly but surely. This summer, I'm hoping things will be a lot better. I'll be on some different medicine. Yay. Let's see, I ain't even videoing. Goodness. Alright, I hope y'all enjoy the video. There wasn't much to it. Remember, this guy swears by this Pro Chain Silcoline non-fling technology. Okay, cool. We're gonna put it to the test. If y'all like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And like I say, if y'all have any input, any comments, as long as they're nice, leave them anyway. I don't care. Until next time, that's it. Bye. Yeah. It looks like a dump over there. Oh well. That's it. Bye.